Hey guys, in today's class we'll talk about this amazing app called Eversend. Everything you need to know about Eversend, how it works, how to download it, how to make use of Eversend to send money, receive money, and of course convert currencies. Today will just be a general review of Eversend. Now the very first step is to go on Play Store and download Eversend. You can see Eversend has about 1 million downloads. Make sure you are downloading the original one, and of course once you've downloaded it, you can just come back, click on register your account. It takes just very few minutes to register an Eversend account. All right, very amazing. Now this is one of the best apps I've used in sending, receiving, and transferring monies across Africa, and also converting funds across Africa. Now of course you have to set a pin, and once you've set the pin, you are going to be set. All right, now to verify your Eversend, I know people have some little issues with verification. All you need is a government issued ID card, like your voter's card or your international passport. All right, now Eversend is amazing, has several currencies, and I'm going to show you all of them. You can see if you click on this area on your Eversend wallet, if you click on this area where you find, I'm going to show you, when you click on this area on the top left, you find this thing that looks like a parallel line. You can see naira, euros, pounds, Ghanaian cedis, Kenyan shillings, Rwandan francs, Ugandan shillings, United States dollars, Tanzania, even CAF for Cameroon, and you can see this Tanzania and all of that. This is amazing, and trust me, this is beautiful. You can convert, transfer, receive, and send. All right, this is what you do with Eversend. Now, how do you add money to your Eversend account? How do you add money to your Eversend account? Now, depending on the country you have created your account from, you can add money in that with that way. For example, I've created an account in Nigeria, and since I'm in Nigeria, I can click on this area where you find fund. Now you must make sure that you are on the NGN balance, and you click on this area where you find fund. All right, when you click on this area where you find fund, you can fund your account by a bank transfer, which means when you click on bank transfer, you are going to see a Wema Bank, for example, and an account number. By the time you make a transfer into this account number, it will appear inside of your NGN balance. All right, this is amazing, sweet, and fast. Now, in case you have not created an account in Nigeria, maybe you have created an account in Europe, right? Any of the European countries, all you need to do is to click on fund and you add your card. All right, you can transfer from a virtual bank account also by bank transfer. In Europe, if you click on bank transfer, you will see a request for a virtual bank transfer, and you put in all your information like your card details and everything, and you'll be able to add monies to your account. Or you can fund in naira and swap to euros. I'll talk about that later. Now, if you have pounds, if you also created in pounds, you can do it like that. Now, if you're in Ghana and you created an account in Ghana, you are going to see bank transfer also. You just click on mobile money, and of course you're going to be able to fund your mobile money account, fund your Ghanaian account with mobile money. Very easy, very simple, depending on where you have created your account from. Now, funding account is so easy. I funded my account severally on Eversend. And now let's talk about how you swap monies. Before we talk about swapping monies, if you have funded your account in dollars, if you want to fund your account with your dollar card, all you have to do is to come to this area where you find fund, and you find where you can put your card details, and you'll be able to fund. And if you scroll down, you can see I funded previously. I funded $2. I've also funded $6. Okay, I funded many times. Okay, depending on the card you're using. Now, some of them will fail if your card doesn't work here, so you can use your cards to fund in dollars also. Now, how do you swap on Eversend? How do you swap from one currency to another? So let's say you are in Nigeria, you have funded your account in Nigeria, and you want to swap to Ghanaian cedis. Now, the rate might not be cool, but if you want to swap, you click on this area where you find exchange. Let's say you have funded 5,000 naira and you want to swap it to Kenyan shillings. click on exchange. When you click on exchange, you can see the rate. Then you come here to select the preferred currency you want to swap to, and since you want to swap to Kenya shillings, you're going to see different ones: pounds, Ghanaian cedis, Kenya shillings, Rwandan francs, Uganda shillings, US dollars. So you click on, let's say, Kenya shillings to swap to. You see the rate. Your naira balance is going to appear here, okay, and this is the rate of the swap. Then you find what you'll be getting, and then you click on continue. Immediately you swap your monies to Kenya shillings, and that is it. Now, once you have swapped to Kenya shillings, it is very easy for you to send Kenya shillings to another person. All you have to do is to go straight to your Kenya shillings dashboard, just like come to this area. Then once you are here, you click on send. Sending monies is so easy. All you have to do is to click on send just down below. Once you click on send, you can add the person's Momo already. You find Momo. I'm going to show you. Once you click on send, you find this area where you can send to the person's Eversend. If the person is using an Eversend account, you can send to their own Eversend account. All right. If the person is using an Eversend, you can send to their own Eversend account. I have a lot of people who use Eversend and they are on the list. If the person is using mobile money, you can send to the mobile money. Bank, you can send to bank. All right, you can send to their bank also. Airtime, you can also send them airtime. You can find airtime is also here. All right, so it is so easy, guys, so easy. Now, if you want to send monies back to yourself, you want to withdraw your money, you have funded your Eversend account, but you want to withdraw it back to your bank account. All right, all you have to do is to click. Maybe your account is in naira, you have funded your naira, you want to withdraw it back to your bank. All you have to do is to click on send. Okay, when you click on send, you click on bank. All right, you can withdraw to yourself, but you can click on bank. And when you click on bank, you can see that I've already attached my account details here. You find how to attach your account details, and that will be all. You'll be just click on it and you'll be able to fund your bank account again. You'll be able to transfer money back to your account. That is so easy. There are a lot of things I'll be showing you here also, and all. If you come to this area where you find more, the last option, then you come to this place where you see profile. Let's see what happens on profile. On profile, you can come here, set your account, everything. You can set your address, withdrawal and everything. Put your email, put your name, and of course, that is what you can find here on the profile. You can even change your profile picture, and there are lot of amazing things here. Okay, now there's also something I want to mention. In case you want to change currencies, for example, on this place where you find this navigation sign, let's say you want to deactivate a currency. Let's say I want to deactivate Uganda shillings. I'll click on it and click on deactivate, and you can see, okay, I've deactivated Uganda shillings. It is no longer on the list. Okay, I can come here to activate Tanzanian shillings and click on activate. Okay, anyone you activate to be on your active dashboard, and you cannot activate all of the wallets. Okay, let me see if I can activate all of them. Okay, you can activate all of your wallets. I feel right now you can activate all of your wallets, and all of them will be active, and you can see there are no inactive wallets. All of them are active, which means you can have balances on all of them. This is amazing, guys, and there are a lot of other things you need to know, and also about how to earn on Eversend. How to earn on Eversend? The first way to earn is by coming to this place where you see earn. You can simply refer your friends. If you invite a friend and your friend fund the account, and you are going to get 240 nairas. Okay, if you invite a friend with your link and your friend registers, verifies the account and fund their wallet, you get 240 nairas. And imagine you have a lot of contacts. You can see I have done for 20 people, but only about 4 persons or 8 persons have been able to qualify, and that is why I got 1,590. Okay, and of course, money I could earn means all the persons of my contact. I have 2,458 contacts, if all of them would have done it, this is the amount of money I am going to earn. This is quite very nice and cool. Lastly, let's talk about Eversend cards. You can create a card on Eversend by coming to the card area and clicking on cards, and then you create a new card on this place. You can also learn about card fees. Let's see about their card fees. On the card fees, you can come here and look at what their cards are all about, the charge and limits. You can see the creation fee is 0, which means you can create a virtual card at no fees. They're not going to charge you anything. All right. Now, starting from the first month, there is a $1 fee, and this would keep happening every month. Okay, you have a $1 fee plan, okay, which is just like a maintenance fee. And of course, this one, you on the second option, you can also choose for a $3 one-time fee plan, okay, which means once you pay the $3, you will not be charged every month. Okay, but if you choose to pay the $1, you'll be charged about $1 for the card, for the virtual card every month. And of course, you know what a virtual card is. You can use it to pay or pay online on other platforms. Okay, and you can come here to read a lot about what this card can do, and of course how you can actually manage the card and enjoy the whole process. Eversend is an amazing platform, and of course you can chat with their customer care service by clicking on this area where you find help. Of course, there are also other things you can do by recharging electricity, donations, and then look at the stablecoin area. There are lots and lots of things on this particular app that you need to go check out, guys. And this will be the end of this review. Okay, leave your comment down below, and of course, if there's anything you want us to talk about this particular app or any other app you want a review, or any questions you have in mind, leave it down below in the comment section, and definitely I'll make a video about that. You have a very wonderful day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.